Greetings and welcome to Industech. My name is Lawrence, and in this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the process of designing this isometric 3D model. We'll be observing the dimensions as clearly stated and outlined in this drawing before us. So I'd like you to duly follow through, because in the process of this design, we'll be employing the different techniques we have discussed in our past tutorials. And this is a basic video that in the course of this design, we'll be employing the various basic design techniques in Fusion 360, just to give us a hands-on experience and mastery over these tools. Okay, you can directly select Create Sketch. You can see the three planes. You can also choose to drop down the menu at Origin. Select YZ plane. Choose your line option and draw from this point. Just draw. The dimensions will be assigned later. Yes, draw. Here we'll make sure it's a closed shape, so every lines will be joined. So as we can see, it's a closed shape. We assign dimensions. Select sketch dimensions. Select right length. Assign 100 millimeters. Select bottom. Right click. Assign 56 millimeters. And thickness, select right click. Assign 16 millimeters. Then afterwards, and lastly, the length. Vertical length, assign 10 millimeters. We can observe that every dimension has been duly assigned. We go to Finish Sketch. And here, next is to extrude. We go to the drop-down menu of the Create Sketch. We select Extrude. Or better still, we just select Extrude from the top menu. As we can see, one side is already selected. So at the start, we leave it at profile plane. Direction, one side, two side, symmetric. We leave it at one side for now. And the distance, we assign 25 millimeters. We can observe that the part is extruded on one side. That's because the direction is one side. We go back to the direction. We select two sides. But taking a look at slide 2, you realize that we have 50 millimeters. So we go down to the distance slide 2, we change to 25 millimeters. So in this case, you can see, we can now observe an equal uniform extrude on both sides. We still go back to direction. We select symmetric this time. So select symmetric. We can see half length, we can see full length. We select full length. Okay, full length. Down to the distance, we select 50 millimeters. In this case, we still have a uniform extrude on both sides. So, operation, new body. Okay. The next step in the design is to create a perpendicular line running through the design, from which we will use to create the 3D demarcation in between the shape. Select YZ plane, Create Sketch. Select the line option, connect it from here to here. Here's press Escape. Okay. Select the points, select the lines, and coincide. Here's also the top, coincide. Okay, assign dimension, the distance between this point to this point, 13 millimeters. Now, the drawing is fully defined. We go to Finish Sketch. Okay, so we'll drop down the create menu. We can see rip. We select rip. Options, profile. We're going to select the line. Thickness direction, we'll leave it at both sides. Assign thickness to be 10 millimeters as seen from the drawing. Then click OK. Next is to create the design at the top of the shape. From the drawing, we can see. So here, we select the top. On the create menu, create sketch. Okay, you select the line option. Start from this point. Okay, we draw the shapes. Draw. Okay, yes. At this point, we stop. So hold your mouse left key so that it will automatically give you an arc. Okay, so draw your line to join to the shape. Then press escape. At this point, you select tangents, ensuring the arc is tangent to the line. Okay, yes, tangent. We can see this. Okay, let's try viewing from the top. Let's try having a top view. You realize that the shape is not yet a closed shape. So we select a line to complete the drawing. It's a closed shape. You'll observe that some lines have been formed in the shape from the parent design. So what we'll try to ensure is that the new shape is uniform. We delete or remove those lines inside the shape. We can do that by right-clicking and select delete. Okay, done. Top view. Okay, we're just viewing the design from the plan, from the top. So it's time to select our circle diameter. Okay, draw our circle. Next is to assign diameter to the shape. Select sketch diameter. Okay, done. We assign 54 millimeters. On to the next. Okay, we yet again assign to the top length. Say 90 from the drawing, 90 millimeters. Enter. The arc, 19 millimeter radius. Enter. Then the circle, 19 millimeter diameter. Beautiful. Enter. It's okay. Next, we go to finish sketch. Yes, then next we go to extrude. We'll be extruding the top shape. Select extrude. Okay, select the top. Distance, direction, one side. So we select one side option. Then next, distance, we select 13 millimeter. You can see it's extruding upward, right? Okay, so to modify this, we add a negative sign. Okay, moving on to operations. We don't want to cut, so we select join. Perfect. Okay. Okay, just having a thorough view of our new design. Next, we'll add the fillet to the joints. selected joints actually. Okay, so we select the edges to be filleted. Select the edges, we rotate, also select the edges. Okay, just about six of them. All right, okay. Fillet radius, we'll select 3 millimeters. Okay. Arrow, okay. Yes, select. I think it's okay. Okay, so we select. Okay. Time to add color to our design. We right click, select appearance. Okay, it's coming up. So we can see the different colors we can add to it: appearance, materials, color, the difference we can see to add to our design. So, but let's go with the already existing. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, but just to take a better view, the different material colors that can be added to our design: fabric, glasses, liquid, just a good number of them, as we can see here. Okay, so time to save our work. Yes, so we assign a name to our design. I want to type with cap locks. ICT supports. That's the name I'm going to assign to the drawing, to the design. Okay, this is perfect. ICT supports. Then click save. So something else I want to show you briefly. If you want to convert this design to a 2D drawing, you still have an option here. Just select the drop down menu from the design, go to drawing, you can see from design. So once you select that, automatically from your drawing, Fusion would help you to convert to a 2D. We'll discuss further on this in our next tutorial. Thank you so much for listening and following to this tutorial. See you next time.